Okay, so my substitution is u equals sine squared x. So on this integral I need to change the limits into u's. The dx has to go to a u and the x function here has to be in terms of u. So let's do the limits first of all then. So if x is naught, u is, right, sine squared x, that's sine of naught all squared. Sine of naught is naught, naught squared is naught. X is pi by 2, u is the sine of pi by 2 all squared. Sine of pi by 2 is 1, 1 squared is 1. So there's my new limits, 0 and 1. Right, I need to work out du by dx. So to differentiate the power, I write it with a bracket, and I use the chain rule, function. So du by dx is 2 bracket power 1 times the differential bracket, which is cos x. So du is 2 sin x cos x dx. Now I'm ready to sub in. Right, so the integral end of the new limits is integrated from 0 to 1. The top line is sine 2x dx. But I've got 2 sin x cos x dx. And then 2 sin x cos x is sine 2x. So the sine 2x dx, all of it becomes a du, divided by the square root of 4 minus, now sine to the power of 4x, if u is sine squared, then u squared is sine to the 4x. So that's 4 minus u squared. So there's the integral, which has been changed into u's. Now then, this is a standard integral. You'll find this integral on page 6 of the formula booklet. You'll see the general integral of dx over the square root of a squared minus x squared, and that's sine to the minus 1 of x over a. Okay, that's in the formula booklet on page 6. So this is going to be then sine to the minus 1 of u over 2. Okay, the a squared is 4, so a is 2. From 0 to 1. So that's sine to the minus 1 over half minus sine to the minus 1 of 0. Sine to the minus 1 of 0 is 0, so that's gone. Right, sine to the minus 1 over half. Okay, you've got to be in rad mode on your calculator. You should know what the answer to this is, okay, but just make sure you're in rad mode. You can check it for shift sine over half. That gives me 6 of pi by 6. So that's equal to pi by 6. And it says give the answer in the form pi over k, where k is positive integer. So we can see the answer is pi over 6. So what I got is where k is equal to 6.